discuss your rights against our law enforcement people, the right where you supposed know, say you supposed to get as human being, against detention, unlawful detention, or even against torture when they say they go just by detention, I mean say they go carry you go keep you somewhere, nobody go know where you do, all those kind of thing. Your right as a human being, where you supposed to get. We're there for inside with law book. Ahmed Adetola Kazeem they here to take for talk on top how everything supposed to be. Me self, I can't wonder about you get what you talk. You say you get some people they say they go home. Most especially all this way they hold on top say they suspect them of terrorism. You understand? When you say they not go allow anybody come see them, they not go allow. How those ones one take? How do what they help themselves? Like I mean, you they pray to God.
Not to pray to God though. And pray to God that a good Samaritan comes.
Good Samaritan go for your conje. Anyway, our phone numbers go down on your TV now. Make una begin to call us, even on top Twitter as well. Make una begin to take on our questions. Make una begin to call also to take for ask Ahmed Adetola Kazeem questions. But one question I go ask you now: how people fit take defend themselves against this unlawful detention thing when they say they go see you because some people
detention now torture now.
Okay, yeah,
we go still reach detention.
Okay, against this torture thing because some kind people go see them, then go they. I don't hear somebody when they say na field ide, then just carry on with people when they say they play ball, carry all of them come out. You understand? All those kind and then torture them, beat them when you not even know what you do, you don't know anything.
You know, say may we just pray to God. Person will be anybody will believe in God. Say may God protect us. You go they also watch places where they go. The kind of people where they roll with. Because many people they enter trouble where they say they don't know anything, but now the kind of people where they you understand? Don't work in a suspicious manner. Which way they dress, which way they you understand? All those things make you watch them. Which places you they roll. You where you go where they smoke igbo. Now which kind of people they smoke igbo? You understand all those things. So if you at least those are little precautions which person
you where they go uncompleted building, they just go there.
Another extension of this is Lastma people. They catch you, they slap you, they happen.
No. Lastma how they happen. They drag you to motor. You don't say they beat bus driver.
You don't see this handle before. That's Ambody Observer. You don't sell for. You got one funny handle for Twitter now. Ambody Observer, now they call her. You show one Lastma. You can't stand before in front of car like this. You can't show another picture where the guy don't fall down. So you can't show one picture of like Votron, Western.
Defender of the universe.
They can't wear the same clothes. They can't say because they wear it. It say if you stop car with leg. It's just some other picture. This last man, you follow. You see, they follow people fight. You see. You understand? All those things, you know, they're allowed under the law. Where you go, they follow. You know, even they're dignifying. You get what I tell you. So, if person want resist arrest. If you get where you go, dignified manner. Let me say, you go to some people, the kind word where they come off of some people.
Exactly.
You talk like elegance. You understand? All those things, today pure. You understand? And under the law, person fee fight for your rights. You understand? A breach of the right, you can file a fundamental rights suit. For everything where we don't, of course, we don't do some of them before. We don't get successful. We say, go.
Anyway, from Lagos here, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
Ghana do.
How you doing now?
Fine. This is Comrade Mama Onushagbe from Akoka Bariga.
Oh yeah, now Mama, I greet you. Which question you get to ask lawyer today?
I want to contribute a little bit.
Oh yeah, now talk. Would they hear you?
What is happening? You see, our agencies in this Niger. We really need orientation. You understand? And you discover that there is no proper orientation. That is the problem. And meanwhile, you discover that there is nothing like workshop. As in, once in a while, you gather those people, like police, like Lastma and all of them. You gather there. At least you orientation them, as in you teach them. You understand? How they behave, how they approach the citizen. You understand? So because the good approach is not there. Because police will arrest you. I had an encounter with the police when I was in VGC. It happened at VGC gate. I was just passing by. But, the way they were just pushing people around, beating people, scattering things, without no manner of approach. I was just, what is happening to this, our police people say, they don't come again.
Anyway.
Now one of them just grabbed me. Hey, you come here. Come and pick. I say, Abi, but you see the way they grab my cousin, eh? Hey,
But they don't slap you, Abi.
Come and carry her enter inside car. Why must you make such a statement? Before I know it, okay, let me call my lawyer. I wanted to call one of my lecturers in there in Lasso. Okay, let me call my boss there, the person that set me out. For what? The collector my phone. Because if you look at the fundamental human rights, each and every one of us will have the right.
Of course.
Understand? The right for movement, right to life, right to personal liberty and all that. Because you discover that even with the citizens, sometimes we don't really know our rights.
Now the reason why we're not teach you now.
Now wetin make Ahmed Adetola Kazeem dey so that una go know una rights. Anyway, Omoma, thank you very much for your call. Thank you very much. More continue. Hello, who on the line again? Samuel. Hello? Samuel from Oka. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Samuel, which question you get to ask us?
Yes, I want my question be say why do say police people no dey get human sympathy? And they still say that their uniform, they need to change their uniform from black to maybe blue or green.
Okay. So your question now say why they know they get human sympathy?
Sympathy. Why do they get human sympathy? You go see say they go carry person go police station. For police station they go write daily 3. But I no follow. I no follow 50,000. I no follow 20,000. Why you say they do like that? Those people, they need to conscientize them, maybe change their way of thinking.
All right, thank you very much, Samuel.
No, sometimes the thing where they happen, we say, for those police, now the kind of training we then get.
We then get.
And look at one time when they show police college. You remember for China?
Yes.
You can see the kind of environment.
Their way of living.
Yes,
everything scattered. So,
look at balance as balance they be. They are about the dirty. How you want me that kind of person go dey frustrated? So the government itself need to do something. Better packages for police now. If you package them, if you dress them well.
You don't go. America. For example, for New York, where police won't stop you. They go, you follow you for back. They follow you back. Bah, bah. You gotta expect yourself stop. Good afternoon, sir. Please, can you come down from the car?
Can you please?
Now you gonna tell yourself, oh, no problem. Can you please come down from the car? Now you go say, okay, I will come down. So, please, sorry, I must finish this story. Hello, Innocent.
Hello, my brother Nedu.
How is you?
No problem, I do.
Ask your question, no.
Every year, we just there. We go with you, I want to tell you. I go up your state yesterday, the thing,
Okay.
I know, say, we get plenty politicians.
Okay.
That place, the salary where they here, no, now that place I call no say mosquito na politicians. If you there like this, they hear the sound of mosquito. If you in the form, go think na governor they come. Go here, wee. No, go not say na mosquito they come, my brother.
So, wetin be your question? I got Baba this way they talk now. Been a mosquito will make you call us now.
The reason why they call be say how our police people they do citizens of this country no good at all. Today, police hold me, say they ask me for driving license.
Okay.
Now I tell the man, I no get driving license. He say I will go bring my document for my machine.
Okay.
Like, okay, wait, may I go? I said, I won't go. Now you can't tell me, say, I wait to. Say, me will settle. Say, we can settle again. Say, make I find something for them. I said, say, make I give you...
Paper.
And I want to go give you paper.
And I want to go bring paper for you.
I say, may I go bring paper now? He don't leave all that. They walk up, go. I say, may I go bring paper? He said, may I know? Say, make I settle. Say, they come out. Nah, I said, okay, wait till I will give. Say, make I bring 2,000. Say, which kind of 2,000? Make I go bring paper now. Say, you not there here. Make I go bring and come. He say, they come out. Say, they get some, they call them, they won't go collect something, come. My brother, now I give them, they collect 1,000. Say, make I they go. That thing good.
All right, no wahala. Thank you very much, Innocent. Thank you very much. Hello, good evening. Who are on the line?
Yeah, Abba Mohammed.
Abba Mohammed, yeah, they?
Yeah.
So, which question you get to ask?
Yes, my own question about the police, me too. So sometimes, you know, you are walking in the road, just they are carrying people anyhow.
Okay.
When they take you, they are collecting money. After when you never do anything, after when they collect money, they release. I don't understand about this all arresting for nothing, just for nothing. Sometimes, hello?
Hey, they hear you.
And sometimes, just people in there inside the construction, then walk, labor walk, like 20 people or something like that. You know, say, to go for transport is very high, something like that. Then they sleep. Then they come enter, carry all the laborers. They never do anything.
Wow.
Then they walk for under.
They'll pack all the laborers, come out.
Then they carry them, go lock them for nothing. Why? That is my question. That's all in.
All right, no wala. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the program. And thank you for Alpha. God bless.
Thank you.
You know, most times where these police they do what they do, not to extort.
Yeah, most times.
You get one case where I do around them 2012. Those boys, they be 5. So they just carry, they arrest, they go rob one omota, maybe they go rob them. So they can't go carry like 70 people. All those Magboro boys and police, they go arrest anybody when they see for street. So if you get money, they release you. You can't remain 5 people when don't get money. They can't go put them for prison.
Aye.
Incidentally, that person where they attack, that Agbere boy where they attack that time, himself can't dey prison. In the medium, the 5 boys there maximum. So in can say, no be this ones fear attack them, these small ones. So they not great attack them now. But because those boys don't get money, they don't get anybody to pay them, they stay for prison for 6 years.
Jesus.
For 6 years, then they prison. Now until you bring the application to court, now in court release them. So people, many times where police, they arrest people, now because they don't feel settled. And the reason why they call some, now decadence, so, and it there for every home. Which way, where would they take run our homes? They say when they run marathon. Say people, volunteers, we suppose they share glucose, they share water, they share, they pack and go house.
Hey!
You go, they abuse police, say corruption day. You unko?
Mama Osas, good evening. Mama Osas. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sorry, I beg, say we'll keep you on the line. Would they hear you? Which question you get to ask us this evening?
The question where I get to ask my brother. He get time where these people hold me. They say them the task force people.
Task force.
Okay, local government.
Okay.
No parking dey the place. They say because I park wrongly.
Okay.
Because he get as the motor do, that's me I park, make I check and way.
Okay.
Before I know they don't surround me. They don't enter motor. I be one resist though, but I say I don't know. Make I just obey. Because my husband say make I no fight for road.
But your husband know you now, area. You dey scatter things.
No parking dey the place, nothing. They just carry me. They go like that. Jump enter motor, make I they drive, they go. And so I take reach their office. I call my husband.
Okay.
I come rescue me. 25K, my brother, for nothing.
25,000.
For inside Marwa, now they collect the money. My husband, they take and they rob me for chest. I said, what kind of nonsense is this? I just leave them because I don't feel do anything.
No wahala. Thank you, Mama Osas. Thank you.
There another one. Wait, oh.
Hey, they hear you.
Now Lastma hold me for that waek.
Why be say that only you then they hold?
Wait.
How you think they waka? Mama Osas.
No, let me talk.
I would hear you.
He don't check everything, no. Everything complete for moto. To make I open my boot. Find a finish a day. He said make I carry the rug up for boot.
Okay.
He press the tire. He said my tire no gauge. Now say, wetin? I know be recognize, I don't know. You know go work. You know go now say oga, you give my paper, you know give my because my husband no body. You give my paper, you know give my paper. You give me. He say why they talk like this? I say yeah. You don't check everything for the motor correct. Give me my paper. You take out the tire, go check for vulcanizer. When you see the way I change my face, then I saw that they do. All these women, I saw that they do. I collect my paper now, I enter motor. Another time again, another one again.
You see, Mama says, you see yourself.
You don't say finish. It's make I match break. My brake light for back not they show. That's okay. You come match and make me go check and say nothing. Now they ask because sometimes we good. Then the way they for the nation they beat people. Breaking head and enter my motor waka. Tell them go home me because that one no get anything. As far as motor, if the paper is complete. So you they find one way or another to collect money. Like tell me now, because if you see me for paper one day,
thank you. Mama says, if you say they look for trouble too much. Thank you very much.
First and foremost, I beg, don't take laws into your hands. Don't take laws for your hands.
Not take law ever. I beg, ever. Not take laws into your hands.
Because they go change the case.
Then go change them on top of your head.
And two, be say, may we try the law abiding. You see no parking, no park there.
Agbef, good evening.
Agbef.
Agbef, my guy, my G.
Yes, how are they?
We did fine. Agbef, ask us your question, quick.
The question is say, what is the with police, but they're not do it. You know why the matter not the best is say, police they collect need to and they use their hands.
How?
I will not be say about. Just try and they do me at all something. If the police stop you for road, behave well. When you say stop, you stop.
Okay.
If you say you do, it's not called that. Just like say, now you order, I tell you. So when you will not call your father for house, your father already know what you will do. Your father will say, keep a phone, make talk to that. Or they someone don't depart you. Don't feel you with that. So don't say that your car, don't talk. You say that your car is a fear because he doesn't have right to have a ticket there. Say, your father said that for something he's not finished. He don't know you say they go. So what they want to do.
Agbef, thank you. In case you don't know what Agbef talk, it means if police stop you for road, police stop you for road, just arrange with your brother for house. Just call him. Say you just anything they say me you do him. You can say, please, can I talk to the colonel that sent me message?
But if they catch you, they go sue her for impersonation. And they go see you for as an accomplice. You have started a fresh case. The one where they pack you for before, now they call her infraction. That one an infraction. You can't go commit misdemeanor. You don't graduate.
For misleading a police officer.
Don't get puzzle.
Don't get puzzle more for your money.
So generally, we'll just try the law abiding. And if they catch you, we don't, like last week, I don't say they go display the numbers if you call. Like National Human Rights Commission, Legal Aid Council. People, if you come to your head, the Police Complaint Response Unit, if they get one hashtag, what they do, stop the bribe. You understand? The military, wetin they call a human rights desk. Now only DSS, we don't know, maybe they don't get human rights desk. So those ones they do, and those ones they're secret, If they grab you, now those ones
worse. They call them secret service.
If they grab you, nobody go know what you.
The numbers when they on top of your TV for any police complaint, see and there for any police complaint. In case you want call, you go see them. In case you want do WhatsApp to police, you go see and there. In case you want do Twitter for police too, anything when they be say, even BB pin, police they BlackBerry now. See their pin on top TV, make you copy them. See their WhatsApp number there, copy them. But those of them they WhatsApp. They're not there they're not there to go. Those of them what they do to go or Badu. So just copy them just in case. Over to you again.
So if your right is if they breach your right, if you find fundamental human right for court, maybe say the God will pronounce, they tell me they apologize, they tell me they pay you money. You understand? But to get the money is another thing. You know, we don't get them before. You get one man with the arrest. You can't spend like 11 years for prison. Yes, so we fight the case. The cost of the pay us 7 million. We collect that money.
Collect the 7 million.
We collect that money. We collect them from Lagos State government.
Wow.
So with the court, we still the appeal now. Though the guy don't spend money finish, but the matter the appeal. It's just to emphasize the fact that you can actually
press.
You can actually press for it. That man where I talk, that DSS man, the court also made they pay 1 million. But the man say no one will laugh for him. Maybe I just forget that 1 million. The release where they release them. Because he don't do harm. Say the release where they release and you don't do them.
Hello, Stanley.
Yeah, good evening, Ogedu.
How you there, my brother? One now.
My brother, Anomia, Henning Agofuma.
Which question, Kinwe? Which question you get to ask us?
My question, this regular people with who enter police station.
Okay.
You say on the right hand boldly. They say
bail is free. Bail is free.
Bail is free.
Yes.
Okay.
So what's going to happen now? If they carry go there, if they don't find any fault from you, they're supposed to let you go. But still yet, they will still bail you. At all 5,000. You understand? So what think the law, what the government is about them? Because they still are free. But truthfully, will not be free.
I don't say this dispensation they do, but we must try it. We go want make people try them. If they do and you complain, come tell us on this program how you take work.
My brother, who want try enter police? Make person go do something, make you enter police first of all. You can't say, I try them. They're not.
No, it's possible now. If they arrest you, they can't insist that you pay them bribe. You know, you have to pay to come out because you don't get any choice. And I said to get choice.
Yeah, exactly.
You understand? After the payment, you report to the they say complete response unit. They say they work, but we want to know maybe they really work.
Whether true if they work.
Because and people say if they work small. Because you get the Shagam police DPO where the Shagam people they talk say the man they collect bribe, they arrest people unjustly, they do this, they transfer them now and then they investigate in case. We go see where you go reach.
Where you go reach. Now, you get one thing happen to one comedian when he say day for worry. Now, because of say, they kidnap somebody, the phone where they take call the papa of the person where they kidnap, it resemble in phone number. Now, so they trace the guy, go where they go. As they meet up for house, he still wear singlet and boxers. Now, that singlet and boxers then carry on from that worry, come to Lagos. Now, as he come here, and then clear, see, not be a phone number. And so they deliver. How many days? So therefore, I beg, we'll continue next week, Monday. Ahmed Adetola Kazeem, good day here to give us more information. In case they want to get more information from you, any of how they will take reach you.
I will say they don't. They okay, they don't. My email and the rest. Okay.
You go see the email. They go display on top TV now. See I'm there. Email of Ahmed Adetola Kazeem and in Twitter handle. Make you follow him to take for ask more questions. Any question we get to do with our security operators. Any question where you get about them, make you ask. Wetin we do now to make sure say everybody where they there, you know your rights, and also to help make our security operatives make them do their work well, make them too they enjoy for the work where they do, because we go like make government help make them, police they get good money,
better welfare,
and
dirty.
He get one police where I go buy for yesterday. I see him for police station. I gas come on money say Oga. In fact, I nearly give her money. So, do you get the dress?
You get one time we will do back conference. For the back conference, the police can't do on duty since morning, from morning to night. They can't give them one biscuit, coastal biscuit, and one pure water. You know, say the way they treat them,
if the way they see this police, the guy dressed, I say, Oga, I respect you. He say, Oga, they do. I say, Oga, forget Oga, you dress well. If you see him, if he stop you, you go stop.
But looking sharp.
Looking sharp. Anyway, double toilet to everybody wake calls. So they know when say we'll not fit take more calls. Now here we go stop for today. Until tomorrow, we will get Uru AK, the actress. She go there for Inside Studio tomorrow to take for followers. It's cause make good not say Katim not come today. Something happened. I make her not show. Hopefully she go there for Inside Studio tomorrow. Double toilet to our barrister, our lawyer Ahmed Adetola Kazeem, and double toilet to everybody we follow us on top of the show today. Till tomorrow.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.